Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you a simple trick to close all open windows with just one click. So here I have multiple programs and windows open at the same time. Normally we have to close them one by one, but with this simple trick we can close them all at once. So first go to Start and search for Windows PowerShell and click on Windows PowerShell. First, let's see how this works using a simple PowerShell command. Now, I enter this command, type this command into your PowerShell window. I will be providing this command into my video description, so you can directly copy it and use directly on your Windows PowerShell. Now, when I press enter, as you can see, all the windows have been closed. But remembering this command and pasting it into PowerShell every time is not very convenient. So instead, let's create a desktop shortcut that can run this command with just one click. So right click on the desktop and go to New and select Shortcut. Here type PowerShell. Then space, hyphen, then command, and paste the same command I type in PowerShell. Then click on Next and name the shortcut is Close All and click on Finish. And here is my shortcut created in my desktop. Now let's open again multiple programs. Now let's test our new shortcut. So here I run the shortcut from my desktop. And there we go. With just one click, the open windows are closed. One important thing to remember, this does not forcefully close your program. It sends a normal close request. So if you have an unsaved document, the application will still show you a pop-up asking whether you want to save your changes. So that's a simple way to close all your open windows with just one click. I will add the PowerShell command and the shortcut command in my video description so you can copy them directly.